Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Future Unicorn. It's your boy, Roy, CEO of SolarWind Innovations, and I am back after a brief hiatus. I hope you guys had a happy Easter if you celebrate Easter. Happy Ramadan, happy Passover, and all the above. So, first off, let me just apologize for the brief break. One thing I didn't quite plan for while doing these Future Unicorn episodes is the fact that all the storage in my phone would get eaten up. So, and then last week on top of that was a super busy week, so haven't really had a chance to address getting that resolved, but it's fixed now. I'll be dropping these videos, working on storage and all that jazz. But that shouldn't be a problem again. And definitely not in the future once we get the funding done. So anywho, lots of good stuff happening. Still waiting to hear back from a couple VCs. Still doing the WeFunder campaign, so if you haven't checked that out, definitely do so. Back in the car, I'm on about a 4-hour trip to a little place called Tishomingo, Oklahoma, meeting with another potential customer, some more potential SolarWind collaborations, so hopefully those go really well. We can get some big stuff going in that city. A really cool goal of mine is to work with a small town, dominate the town, own it. Not own the town, but like have a really strong partnership with them. And maybe, just maybe, today might be a gateway to that. So we will see. But yeah. Hopefully I can get you some good footage of the array there. This isn't a system that I installed, but I'll be checking it out. There's some pretty big issues with it, so I'll be using my expertise to fix it, getting back up and running, get you some nice technical documentation and some good footage and some good updates about what we have going on in the future and what we've been doing in the past. So, yep, stay tuned. All right, here's the customer. Very interesting. They made a house made out of shipping containers, so we'll see. Don't want to get on my camera, but so here's the system. Overall, not terrible. Actually, didn't use any rail. These end clamps, but it's all right. Anyway, overall, not a bad looking system, but a lot of problems. She said that it blew up in there, so it's definitely not good. Not what we want to see in the slightest. And the angle for this part of Oklahoma should be tilted up more like that. So, but let's see if we can get it rocking and rolling. Make another partnership with SolarWind. All right, guys. Update. SolarWind Official is now. SolarWind Innovations is now officially revenue generating. Woo! Just closed on a job out in Tishomingo. Woo! It was a small one, so let's not get too excited. But anyway, yeah, SolarWind is officially getting its first revenue check from its first installer partner, Greater Than Energy. So it's a path on the right direction. It's not very big, but it's a start. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to use those funds to get right to work. Can't do too much with how big it was. But anyway, but the customers were very, very, very thrilled, very happy. So just to rewind it back a little bit about their system. The installers, and these are not the installers that we will be partnering with as SolarWind Innovations. The installers that did this job did an absolutely 100% terrible job, and honestly, not even gonna lie, they should go to jail because what they did was extremely, extremely dangerous. They didn't have not to get into all the technical stuff, but if one wrong thing would have happened on that system, they could have easily electrocuted and killed one of the homeowners or the grandchildren or a cat or a dog. they put the wires in the wrong spots. So if you guys are familiar, kind of like jump starting a car, if you put them on the wrong sides, then you're gonna have a big mess on your hands. And that's what they did with 500 volts of electricity. That is not safe at all. When they installed it and flipped on the breaker, there was flames spewing out of it, and they had to rush to get it disconnected before it burned down their house. And then they just left it as is. They didn't even attempt to fix it, and they just disappeared off the face of the earth. So after having a long conversation with the homeowner, telling him about everything that was wrong with the system, but that it was fixable, and they were really happy. I told them not to be happy until I could get it up and running yet. It's an off-grid system, so they've been without electricity for a very, very long time. So going to be ordering material tonight, heading back down there. Hopefully by next week, if I get all the material in, get some good footage. Hopefully I can get one of the guys, Thomas or Archie, to come down with me, get some good footage as a team, and get it up and running, get pictures and videos with the happy homeowners. The homeowner is a commercial property owner in Tishomingo, so we have more footsteps into really getting a strong grip in this small town, getting them connected with some USDA funds, get some miners set up over there. There will be a miner set up at this location. So yeah, really get to prove our business model and put some money in the bank account, show investors that we are revenue generating on a small scale, but it proves the concept, and get those funds. So yeah, gonna have a long drive back, but we'll go ahead and conclude this episode of Future Unicorn. Come back again tomorrow for more. I love y'all guys. Love you guys. Let's keep on going. $1 trillion unicorn. Here we go. We're gonna do it. So love y'all. Talk to you next time.